Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Toyota Highlander can take you to some really cool places, whether it be through bike riding, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer through most of North America. So let's go ahead and break down that install for you. All right guys, starting on the driver's side, we're gonna go ahead and remove this tow loop. We're gonna remove these two bolts using a 14mm socket. And then we're going to go ahead and repeat on the passenger side. And we will not be reinstalling these. All right, next on the driver's side, we're going to remove this little plug, and we'll be using these 3 weld nuts to attach our hitch. And then we'll remove that same plug on the passenger side, and we'll be using those same 3 weld nuts on this side as well. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and bring our hitch into position. We're gonna be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands as the hitch is a little bit heavy. So let's go ahead and put it into place. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and install our provided hardware. We are going to be using our 3 bolts with the conical tooth washer facing up so the teeth is facing the hitch. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. All right, back on the driver's side, using a 5-inch extension and a 17mm socket, we're going to go ahead and tighten and torque those bolts according to the manufacturer's specification. And we'll go ahead and repeat the same on the passenger side. All right, so we went ahead and pulled the car down onto level ground to show you some measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver, and the hitch does run flush with the bumper. And from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 15¼ inches. All right guys, so that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us at uhaulhitches.com.